Y6. Looks like they backfilled with concrete on these joints here. I tried whacking that stuff out and it didn't want to come.
That stuff before?
No, I don't know anything about that.
Control.
So there's some damage there. It's a different spot actually.
Yeah.
You see that ring right there?
Yep. The big white one.
Yeah. I'm fairly certain that's damage. And that looks like it's, yeah, it looks like it's coming down this way. You see it's like this is higher than that?
Yeah.
It's like the middle of the pipe is getting low. I don't think that's a, no, it can't be a root. There's no way that can be a root. So there's some damage up there. There's a crack right there.
Okay.
You see that?
Yep.
And then there's one right there. Up on the right, left, or the right upper side right there.
Okay.
And then I think
some cracks and stuff.
I think that's the one with the one on the side. Yeah.
Yeah, we got all those roots that already want to come back in.
Yeah, I mean I can't get it any better without damaging the pipe.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't. That's cleaned out pretty damn good.
Yeah. I think that was the two spots with the damage. So there's a front clean out, it's a sweeping T, or an inline clean out. It's an inline clean out. And it looks like it's about 56 feet. That's the city.